Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to find the area and perimeter of a triangle. By the end of this video, you'll be able to solve them easily. Let's get started. Now, remember, perimeter is the distance around outside of a shape, and area is the amount of space or surface something covers. For the perimeter, we need to add all of the side length. For the area of a triangle, we use the formula base times height divided by 2. Now, let's jump into our example, and we will start by finding the perimeter of this right triangle. For perimeter, we need to add all of the side length. We have 15 meters, 17 meters, and 8 meters. So, 15 plus 17 plus 8, keep in mind, it doesn't matter what order you add the side length in. You will get the correct perimeter however you do it. So let's start with 15 plus 17. That gives us a 32. Plus 8 gives us 40. So the perimeter equals 40 meters. Now we can move on to finding the area of this triangle, and we can start by writing out the formula. So area equals base times height divided by 2. Let's plug in the base and height. Now we're going to use 8 meters for the base and 15 meters for the height. We do not need these 17 meters in order to calculate the area. So let's plug in 8 meters for the base times 15 meters for the height divided by 2. Now we can work through this, so let's start with 8 times 15. That gives us 120. So we have 120 divided by 2. 120 divided by 2 gives us a final area of 60 square meters. So for the right triangle, we have a perimeter of 40 meters and an area of 60 square meters. And there you have it. There is how to find the area and perimeter of a triangle. Specifically, we worked with a right triangle. Just remember, for the perimeter, we add all of the side length. And for the area of a triangle, we can use base times height divided by 2. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more math tips and tricks. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.